you've got an online business here in Zambia, or if you're planning on having one, then this video is for you, and make sure that you watch it to the end. Okay, so in case you did not know, Flutterwave is back in Zambia and it's now working. So for some of you who might not know what Flutterwave is, it's simply a payment gateway. But why is it such a big deal? Well, Flutterwave is a payment gateway that allows you as a business owner to accept payments online. So there are two types of payments you can receive with Flutterwave, that is card payment and mobile money payment. I know there are other payment gateways in Zambia that offer similar services, but from my experience, I can say there's no other company that I can actually compare Flutterwave to. I think Flutterwave is the best, despite the poor customer service we used to have back then. I'm just hoping that this time it's better, okay? But other than that, their services are reliable and they are good, and they've got more features as compared to other payment gateways. So what does this mean to you? So if you're an online business, accepting payments is the most important thing, and therefore you need a payment gateway that you can actually rely on. So for other businesses are actually relying on more than one payment gateway, which is one for mobile money, one for cards. But with Flutterwave, we don't need separate gateways. All we need is simply one gateway, and it offers these services. So apart from just allowing you to receive payments via mobile money and cards, what other services does Flutterwave provide? Well, Flutterwave also provides cards, okay, which are virtual cards. So you can actually load those cards with money, and you can offer those virtual cards to your employees or to your friends or to anyone you want, okay? Aside from that, apart from just receiving payments, you can as well send out payments. So yes, you can receive payments via mobile money, and you can as well send out payments via mobile money to other people. And as well, you can as well send out payments to your bank account or to other bank accounts with Flutterwave. So Flutterwave has got all the features you may need for any type of business that you may be running, okay? But where do I come in? Well, this video is not sponsored, and I'm not an employee of Flutterwave, okay? I am simply a developer. So if you're planning on integrating Flutterwave and you're not sure with where to start from and how to work around it, okay, I've been using Flutterwave for years until it stopped working in Zambia. So I guess I'm the perfect guy to go to if you need help with integrating Flutterwave into your WordPress website, into your custom website, into your custom application, okay? I can say that I can help you with that, and all you have to do is simply leave me a message on WhatsApp and tell me about your project and how you'd like to integrate Flutterwave and how best it can work, okay? So yeah, I guess this is it, okay? But before I end the video, let me talk about, if you're planning on having a payment gateway, let me give you some advantages why that may be a good thing. So it doesn't matter how small your business is, I think it's good that, and it actually does look professional if you start using a payment gateway, okay? I know receiving money directly to your mobile money account or to your bank account allows you quick access to that money, like whereby when you receive that money, you can use it maybe to order more stuff. But by using a payment gateway and stopping to receive money direct into your account, it does show some professionalism. And also, actually, by having your own website, it does show some professionalism in that. Like, people don't have to WhatsApp you just to buy your products. They can simply go on your website, buy things, and have them delivered to you. And this is the stage where we are. Things whereby you have to tell people to inbox on WhatsApp, send payments for mobile money. These are things of the past. So you can actually make your business go global, okay? Because with Flutterwave, you'll be able to receive mobile money payments not only in Zambia, but in a lot of countries where Flutterwave operates in. So you'll be able to receive mobile money from Tanzania, Malawi, and all these other countries. And it's that easy. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. But for now, this is Keith.